Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulihil Kareem. Amma ba'd. Today we are going to make wall clock by writing Arabic calligraphy of Suratul Asr, which means the time mentioned in 30th juz of Noble Quran. Suratul Asr, by writing Suratul Asr calligraphy in this chart, and in the middle we are going to make the clock timing. Inshallah, let us mark them by drawing circles. Okay, inshallah. نبدأ بسم الله وعلى بركة الله. First, take a black chart of 40 centimeter each side in a square shape, each side measuring 40 centimeter. Cut it into the square shape, okay? And then take any paper, any white sheet or any newspaper of 1 centimeter less than the chart we have taken, because in this 40 centimeter chart, we have left 1 centimeter each side. Okay, we have marked 1 centimeter each side. We left the space here of each side 1 centimeter. Okay. Now take this white paper of 1 centimeter less than this 40 centimeter, yani 30 centimeter each side. We have cut this square shape. Fold it into four sides, yani 4 divisions. Okay. To find the center of this paper, so that we can keep it on this chart and find the center of this chart. Because if we fold this chart, we can see the divisions in this chart, which won't look good. Okay. Now, by placing this chart here, okay, equally, and by marking the middle, giving a small hole in this, we can mark the hole here. So we can see the center of the chart. So I'm making the marking in this chart with this white pen, so that you can see the markings easily, but you must use the pencil to make all these markings, because these markings should not be visible in the chart. It is only for the measurements, and to make it visible for you, I'm using this white pen, but you should not use this white pen to make these markings. Use only pencil, any kind of dark pencil, so that the markings and measurements visible to you and easy for you to write on that given measurements. Okay. So first we found the center of this chart. Here is the center. Hope you can see it. Here is the center of the chart. Now, with this center help, we are going to draw a circle touching all the corners of this chart. Okay. So I have attached this white pen with the pencil with the help of sellotape, so that we can make a big circle here. Okay. Now marking this by taking this as the center, let us mark a big chart without disturbing the pencil. We can see that We almost touch all the corners of this square. Make sure that you have to make these markings with the pencil. Okay, so this is our big circle by measuring the center. Okay, now we have to make another circle with 7 centimeter gap to write the calligraphy of Suratul Asr here. So take 7 centimeter here. Before that, let us make the 4 divisions of this. Okay, 4 divisions of this circle, so that it is easy for us to make markings. Okay, let us make another circle with 7 centimeter gap in between. Now here we have a 7 centimeter gap. By adjusting our compass, we can make another circle. We can make it with the pencil because it is difficult to do with the pen. And I will try to make it visible for you. Inshallah. Draw another circle with 7 centimeter gap. Hope this is also visible to you. I'm trying to make it dark. So this gap between these two circles must be 7 centimeter. So this gap is to write the calligraphy of Suratul Asr. Now, by leaving this 0.5 centimeter distance, okay, let us make another circle. Now, this circles we are making to write the clock markings. Just leaving 0.5 centimeter in between these two circles to make a separation between the calligraphy and the clock markings. So for this clock markings, we need 2 centimeters distance. So let us make 2 centimeters distance from here. So we need this 2 centimeter distance to mark our clock markings. With the help of the center, we have marked already. Totally, we have 4 circles here. 2 are to mark the clock measurements and 2 to write the calligraphy. So we have totally a big circle, another circle. So in these 2, we are going to write the calligraphy. Another 2 circles we have to write 2 centimeter distance in between to make the clock markings here. Okay. How to make clock markings easily? Let us see to that. First, we have to find the four divisions of this circle by using this paper again. So here is our center. So this is going to be our two halves. And again, with the center help, we can mark the other two divisions. So this is going to be our division from the center. All these we have to mark only with the help of pencil and not with this white pen. Now we found easily four divisions of this circle. Hope this is visible to you. Okay. Now it is going to be our number 12. This is 3, 6, and 9. This is our number 12. It is right in Arabic. And this is 3. This is 6. And this is our 9. To find the other divisions of 1, 2, 4, and 5 other divisions, we have a small technique. That is, we have to measure the radius we have drawn. We already drew the center, the circle. With this radius, we can mark the other division. Just keep this radius measurement. Keep this radius measurement. We drew the circle. Take the measurement of this radius. Keep at number 12 first. Okay. So it is going to be our number 2. In this side, same way, it's going to be our number 10. So this is 10 and this is 2. Now keep it, after keeping in the 12, keep it at 3 and mark number 1 and number 5. So here is going to be our number 5 and this is number 1. Now keep it at 6, the same radius. Keep it at 6 and make the markings here of number 8 and number 5. Like this, we can easily find the exact divisions we need for the clock. And finally, keep it at 9 and mark this side number 11 and here is our number 7. With this, we have done all the 12 divisions of our clock. So you can see this is 1, 2, 3, already we done. Already we have done our 3. Here is number 4. This is number 5 in Arabic. Okay, all these markings you have to make with the pencil, with the help of the pencil. I'm writing this with the white pen to make it visible to you. This is 6, 7, 8, 9 is there already, so 10. The dot for 10. And here is our number 11. Okay. So we have done all the 12 divisions with exact marking. With the help of the radius, we drew the circle. And by taking first 4 divisions of the circle, our clock is done. Now, after making a clock divisions, we will write in our next session calligraphy of Surat al-Asr, starting from here and writing the whole surah of Surat al-Asr here with a pencil first, then with a metallic pen of calligraphy pen. I'll give the details in the next class, inshallah. So first step is to take the chart of 40 centimeter, each side square shape, and then find the center with the help of the newspaper, folding it into 4, find the center. After finding the center, draw this big circle touching all the 4 sides of this corner. Then with the 7 centimeter in between gap, draw another circle and leave a 0.5 space in between. Draw 2 more circles with the space of 2 centimeter between to mark the clock divisions. So we have done our first step of making wall clock of calligraphy Surat al-Asr. In our next session, we will see how to write Surat al-Asr in calligraphy form, and then our third step will be writing it with the calligraphy pen and then marking the decoration letters. And our final step is to make a frame of that clock, and then our wall clock will be ready as a very beautiful and very special gift to present for your loved ones. Inshallah. Shukran lakum. Ma salama.